Okay. God. Look at this boggers go. So my buddy's in Afghanistan right now driving tanks and crap. I don't think this would be a problem for him.
Stick right here and cut driver's side when you get close.
Yeah, but it takes
I don't know.
straight.
It'd go. Whoop. The tracks are rubber.
Hey, it's expensive at the gas station.
So did you get a new battery?
Hey, so you gave me $20 worth of gas, right?
I gave him a full half
When you,
tank.
I guarantee you, when you started up to restart, yeah, and then it broke in, and it was still full of power, and it wasn't going back in.
Yeah, that's what we determined.
But hey, you got a new terminal too.
Not enough for it.